Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar D200 Dynamic SE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Santorini black. Starting our journey from the front of this vehicle, where we will find the LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascading along the sides, you're going to find further features, all a courtesy of the black exterior pack, as it sits with utmost pride on a set of upgraded 20-inch 10-spoke gloss black alloy wheels. To the rear, you will notice your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, and the sleek look of your rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered gesture tailgate will reveal a vast amount of boot space, perfect for a week's worth of luggage or even a canine companion. Rear passengers are certainly going to enjoy their ebony perforated grained leather seats. And glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 14-way driver memory heated front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Taking a closer look now at your leather-heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design and a wide array of features at your disposal, and looking over at your 11.4-inch Preview Pro touchscreen, which is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings. Lastly, we look up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof, which engrosses this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar, which we have here at our dealership. Thank you for watching, and we cannot wait to help you find your next Land Rover.